Yo guys, what's up? NHL17 here, and I think today we're gonna be doing just a game. Let's do Toronto. I think I'm gonna be Toronto. And yeah, also let's do Carolina. Let's face the Carolina Hurricanes. See how good these guys are. Yeah, Carolina away jerseys. Yep, let's do this. You might be seeing a new GM mode series. I don't know I started it, but it actually didn't save for some reason. I hit save and then it crashed on me. So I'm gonna just have to like get all that stuff ready and then keep going.
These two teams both need the W here tonight. I can see them playing it safe early.
Okay.
But the question is, which team will make the first mistake? The opening face-off and starting in Toronto. Shot on. We go down to the benches. Near the ice, it's Ray Ferraro.
With both teams getting such
Come on,
great
Austin.
goaltending, the key to tonight's game, in my opinion, is going to be who can force the most turnovers. And when they get those turnovers,
Go.
how quickly can they transition the play into a scoring chance?
Always appreciate hearing what's going on down there, Ray. Puck covered, whistle blown.
Thought of a slap shot because the guy was coming down fast for the rebound.
Toronto's got it.
No.
Carolina's got it in their own end. Nicely into the zone. Carried to the corner by Rouse. Pass cut, strong play. He's in. Great save.
Ooh.
Back in his defensive end to get it. The stick can break up a play, and it just did. Grab.
Should have passed it to the D.
A little under 4 minutes
See what
played
the second
here in
line
the
can do.
first. It is tied and calm. Good job on the draw.
No!
Chance. The Hurricanes up the wing lost the puck.
Ooh, got right through me.
Deflected off the blocker. Riley's in his own
Oh
end,
my.
towards center.
There's
Pitching
a
it to
pass.
the right
Go.
side. Right near the line. He's got it.
Oh my gosh, that's so stupid.
Held to Jordan Stahl. Into the end of attack. Laid on. Got a piece of it. The Maple Leafs control the play in the defensive zone.
Dump and change.
Dumped in. Looking to Nordstrom. And he steps across the line. Great job on a cut pass.
Offside. Let's go.
It's a face-off win. May not seem important in that territory, but
Why did you pass that guy?
and Rick, solid pass.
Oh.
The Hurricanes lead is now 1. Lots of time remaining in this first period and in the rest of the game, of course, to try to build on. Toronto's got another face-off.
And you're gonna do that. Wow, what an idiot.
And it's an icing.
I passed it, but clearly you can't make a pass and catch it.
Toronto's got a defensive zone
Give
win.
it to Gardner, give it to
The
Martin.
Leafs have it in center
Go.
ice. He gets through. Slides it to the point to Pollock.
Go.
Ooh, he got in the way of that one. That shot came from right in front. You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. A little under 9 minutes to go. Carolina's got the lead, 1-0. Clean win on the draw. Pitching this one to Stempniak. Lets it go. Good save there. Turned aside. Pad save. Wonderful work in goal. Great pressure there. I thought for sure there was going to be a goal. Face-off win here. Good, solid defensive play with the stick. Fires. Outstanding save. Difficult opportunity.
Go.
Is getting an attack ready in their own end.
Forward line 3 out.
Good God, is bad on that one. Magnificent save. Gets across, looks over his options. Fires a shot. Possession taken up by Komarov.
He's missed the slapper. Get the puck.
Right now.
Oh my gosh.
Moving it to Rask. Turned a shot on net.
Okay, take it up.
Gathered
Take
in
it,
by
Kadri.
Kadri. Gets
Go.
in. What'll
Go.
he do? He's alone. Superb.
That's not what I meant to do.
Save by Ward.
I have to go side to side.
Good face-off win. What a reaction. Carolina's getting to the neutral
Lift the
zone.
stick.
Snapping a pass to Hannafin. Nearing the 20th minute of this period. Puck fired down. Decision made. Defender
A minute
first.
and 12 left.
Good clean win. Lets it go. Great glove save, but it's loose.
Go Reemsdyke.
Kicked out of the scrum. Puck settled down by Van Riemsdyk. From the outside. Gets in and he'll look over his options.
Ah.
Possession is changed. Brilliant move on that pass.
Okay, not the greatest start, but I hope that changes next period.
That's the only goal. Bet you'd like to know what the shots were. A lucky 13
Not really.
for the Hurricanes and 8 for the Maple Leafs.
Okay, let's do defense to forward rush.
First face off,
And that doesn't work. Oh, go!
and he steps across the line, just a backhand, and that one turned aside. A whistle and a rest.
Okay, D to D, and then shoot.
The Hurricanes with a clean win on the draw. To Rask. Shoots one. Terrific save with a pad.
Okay, I don't know what to do. Whenever I save the play, I lose the face-off.
They win the draw.
I still win? I still lost, I mean?
Good job in the goal crease. Passing one off now to Nylander. Into the attacking end. A shot. What a save.
Oh, you guys suck.
Great save. Pass attempt to Stempniak. Lets the shot fly. You could almost count that one, but no. Good clean win on the draw. Didn't get
Wow, I'm not
through.
winning any face-offs.
Pointed to Hainsey. Simple play. Made well. Strong defense. Goes back deep for it. To Van Riemsdyk.
Oh my gosh, are you freaking kidding me?
Down, the defense will win the race, and icing is called.
Oh, I need to put this full.
Nice face-off work.
On the face-off I win, I give it to my goalie.
Gets in, looks over his options here.
Hit shots.
Scrum over, puck kicked.
Okay,
The
to
Hurricanes have it in their own end. Now it's directed to Jordan Stahl. Got it in his own end. Toronto's up the wing, controlling play now. And at an angle to Carey. Say,
oh my, you freaking miss? How do you miss that?
Lets it go. That's a great save. I was watching for sticks to go up. No celebration this time. Terrific interception.
Oh,
Snaps a wrister.
and he blocks it. What's new?
He's in on an onside play. Gives it over to the point. Terrific save. Lurched back
Hey.
and throws it.
No, it's...
Lindholm's lost another one. Pass comes to him from the crease.
Bo
Toronto's
Brown.
in control as they travel up the wing. Oh, what a play!
You're passing it to the...
And he is reefed. I wonder if that hit will change the momentum of this
Yes. Good job, Kadri.
team. The Maple Leafs with possession in center ice. Shoots a wrister. Didn't miss by much. Let's go, wrister. Wonderful save on a terrific scoring chance. Shot blocked.
Oh, you just missed.
Carried toward the neutral zone. Onside. Back on his stick. Using the point. Good place to shoot from, and he does. Toronto's got it back in their own zone. Let's it go. The shot is off. In this situation, you have to hit the net. Sometimes it's best just to
Oh my!
waits from the corner. Back near the blue line to Riley. No room for a pass. In front. They score.
There we go.
And they've tied the game up. Toronto's gotten this game.
Yeah, let's try to
tied, setting the stage for a
extend the
roundless
lead.
finish to this second period and a bombastic third. To Rask. Fires. He had a great chance, but he has just missed the net. I know that shot just missed the net, but that thing was moving. Carolina's continuing on in their own end. Gets in. What'll he do? Hammers it.
Oh my.
The Hurricanes have gotten a lead that they hope to take into the third, as long as they don't go into a shell. Toronto's got it off the draw at center.
Whoa, my.
Great stick
Pulled the
work.
goalie?
Pass.
Wait, what?
Puck is thrown to Hennepin. Pitching it to Jordan Stahl. Looking to Murphy.
Yo, I need to play defense.
And they
Good,
are
he's
in.
back.
On to Nordstrom. Wonderful chance to score, but no. He gains the zone. No, that pass is
You.
gained back
Oh
from the
my
blue line, so
gosh.
someone has to get back. Springs a long pass ahead, and it's on his stick, and he's all alone.
No.
Huge stop by Ward.
Okay, let's.
Periods have been played
We're gonna
here.
go to third, and we're gonna win.
It's close. Third period.
We're gonna
will be
win
ahead. Carolina's ahead with just one period yet to play. Their lead is a
How are you losing these face-offs?
nicely into the zone. Pass cut. Pitching this one to Nylander. Nice pass right up the gut. Wrist shot.
There we go.
And the game is even.
Let's go.
And they've taken that face off between the blue lines and won it. Shoots one.
Okay, why was no one blocking me?
Toronto's moving
Go.
the puck up the wing. Shoots. Another solid pad save. Directing that one to Stempniak. On through the corner. Toronto's in possession as they travel in the defensive zone. It's an onside play. Flings it. It's there. Squeeze for a whistle.
Didn't think I'd get the deke down.
Here under 4 minutes have gone by here in the third. The Hurricanes are now the tied team. Still time to go. Moving into Hainsey. Shoots one. Got his pad on that one. The Leafs are moving the puck in the defensive zone. Split to Riley.
You can't even shoot the freaking puck.
Tapping a pass to Nordstrom. Shoots one. Great save.
Go get it.
Toronto's recoiling back in the defensive zone.
Go, JVR.
Gains the blue line. He's alone. Oh, tremendous stop by Ward.
Should have toe dragged him.
The Hurricanes arrive at center. Turned away off the pass. Toronto's carrying it in the defensive zone. And in flight over the line. Chip to Riley. Good standing poke check. A shot. He caught it and he holds on. Pushing it on through the neutral zone. Picks it up in his own end. Great job. Slips on by. Gains the zone and looks over his options. Propelled to
Took too long on
Nestorship.
that.
Takes that pass at center ice. Shoots one. Gloved. You can't ask for a better opportunity in the scoring zone. What a great glove save.
Komarov's there. Come on.
Quick work on the faceoff. Got it at the point. Good quick stick. Toronto's in their own end and controlling play now. A shot. Got his glove on it. Skate kick out of the scrum. Carolina's organizing back in the defensive zone. Passing one off now to Skinner. Moves to the corner. Oh, great cut. Toronto's moving to center. The Maple Leafs looking to head man up the wing. Save! Kicked out of the scrum. Lets it go. Sticked away. Pass attempt to Skinner.
Chirp bump.
And this play is whistled down. It is offside.
I decked him. I'm not decked him. Went at him.
Carolina's coaching staff needs to get them refocused. They have been
Go, go, go.
and it's late. Let the shot go. Held there for a face-off coming up next.
Come on.
A big win. Let's see what happens. Wonderful block. And it's turned aside.
I meant to pass it.
Terrifying.
I'm playing like crap, guys, so don't judge me on this. Cause like that was an easy play to get.
He missed the net. Tie score,
With
grade
it.
A scoring chance. Nothing to show for it. Looks ahead.
Like, you can't even keep the puck. I shouldn't have done that deep, but
Laid on to Teravainen. Pointed to Hannafin. We are in the last
yes.
minute of
I want
regulation
someone.
time.
Oh my gosh! You're kidding me.
And in. The Hurricanes have broken the tie here. Third period. What will they do next? How will they start to play this game? Aggressive? Passive? Tries to get it on net. Two guys together with force.
Okay.
Force. You don't see those type of collisions very often. The Maple Leafs have to take a chance here. They pull their goalie. He missed the net. That's a missed opportunity for momentum. Good work there. They'll have to try it again because of the defender's stick. Great opportunity, but the
Fuck
pass
Bozak.
didn't connect. Took that wrist shot. On back to Riley. Looking for options.
Oh, yes! We got that pressure goal. That was pressure. We needed that goal.
This game up late. Does he have another inning? Maybe now? Maybe overtime? Carolina's prevailed again on the face-off of the neutral zone. Oh, wonderful play. Shakes through.
Go, go, go! Yeah! We take the lead! Oh! Wow. The dying seconds. And we secure the win. Woo! Well, that's it for today, guys. Bye.